Please join us for an eastbound ride on Colorado Highway 141 heading into our home village. We had noticed that our time at Gypsum Gap and the hunting shelter was cut short by the formations of clouds gathering to the east and west. We decided that it was best to head for home considering the flash flood risks that are occurring in this welcomed monsoon. As we crossed the wide-open country, I continued to monitor storms gathering on my right and in front of me beyond the ridge where my village exists in the San Miguel River Canyon. The storm started to converge as we sped across the plain. Temperatures began to drop at this point from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to a cool 78 degrees. The change was slightly uncomfortable in the moist conditions. As we crossed the dry creek basin, we had noticed that we were catching the precipitation. My wife and I shared a brief chat and decided that if we tried to wait it out, we would likely be stuck in heavy rains for hours under our tarp. We opted to push through to home. We encountered some rain as we entered the Naturita Creek area, however, we stayed mostly dry. rainfall was relatively light when we encountered it. We skirted under the trailing side of the storm as it worked its way toward Montrose. I was a little concerned about the lightning we spotted, but we cleared the storm in minutes, and we were back in warm weather when we parked at the local market. Thanks for riding along. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Have a great night.